So good morning everybody. Kavita ma'am already she completed the chapter number system as well as polynomial. So today we will start the chapter coordinate geometry. What is meant by coordinate geometry? Before that tell me what is meant by coordinate? What is meant by coordinate? Otherwise coordination. Otherwise coordinator. Coordinator. What is the meaning of that? Coordination. Coordination means what? We used to say that during dance competition and all, the judges they used to say that there is no coordination between you and her. Otherwise there is no coordination between you and him. So what is the meaning of that? Yeah, that is C is facing one side and then another fellow is facing another side. Okay, so C is going in one way and then another fellow is going in the another way. There is no link between each other. There is no link between each other. So coordinate means we have to link between any two objects. It's not only two, you can link many objects. Okay. So coordinate means nothing but that is, otherwise you can say that organize. Coordinator. He is the coordinator. He is the coordinator. What is the meaning of that? She is organizing the events. She is organizing the events. Right. Now, coordinate geometry. What is meant by coordinate geometry? It's a branch of mathematics and it describes, already we told that the coordinate means what? Link between something. So link between which one? Algebra. Link between algebra and what is meant by geometry? It study about what? Shapes and figures. Shapes and figures. So algebra and shapes, you can say that. Algebra and geometry also you can say that. Algebra and geometry. Algebra and geometry. Am I right? And also we can say that to describe the position of the point, to describe the position or the location of the point, to describe the position of the point, to describe the position or locate the points, position of the point or locate the points in a Cartesian plane, in the Cartesian plane. In the Cartesian plane. So we are addressing where it is. Just we are addressing. If someone asks to you, so where is your school located? What will you say? Yes, it is located in Nandambakam. Where it is? It is in Chennai. Okay, are you getting or not? So just we are addressing the location or coordinate. Am I right here? Then what is meant by Cartesian plane? Tell me, what is meant by Cartesian plane in area? Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means what? Just we are, it's a Cartesian plane or coordinate system. It's a Cartesian plane or coordinate system formed by the two perpendicular lines. These are the two lines perpendicular to each other. It is called as what? X-axis. It is called as what? Y-axis. It is called as what? X-axis. It is called as what? Y-axis. So the Cartesian plane, two perpendicular lines, divides the Cartesian plane into four quadrants. How many quadrants? Four quadrants. What are they? See, X, its origin. Where the two lines intersects, named as what? Origin. Where the two lines intersect, named as origin. Now, so what I told you, the two perpendicular lines divides the Cartesian plane into four quadrants. The first quadrant is XOY. First quadrant is XOY. First quadrant is XOY. The plane divides into four coordinate axes. Listen. XOX dash, it's YOY dash. That horizontal line is called as X-axis. Horizontal line is called as what? X-axis. I think it's not visible. Just a minute. xo x dash, which is yo y dash. That horizontal line is called as what? X axis. This is horizontal line. That is sleeping line is called as what? X axis. And then vertical one is called as what? Y axis. Vertical one is called as what? Y axis. So this is XOY is the first quadrant, and then it's a YO X dash is the second quadrant, and then X dash O Y dash is the third quadrant, and XO Y dash is the fourth quadrant. XO Y dash is the fourth quadrant. Am I right here? Yeah. Quadrant. Here I will explain you once again. See, quadrant, and then axis. Axis is singular or plural? Yes, it is singular. So what is the plural form of axis? Yeah, tell me. Axis. Any idea? See, x-axis, it's y-axis. When we are saying both the axes together, yes, the plural form of axis is what? Axis. Both the axes. Are you getting there? Yeah. Now, quadrant, axis, and then I can give one example, right? Okay, fine. First quadrant, here the value of x is should be greater than 0. X is what? Greater than 0. That x axis, it should be greater than 0. Y axis also should be greater than 0. X greater than 0, y greater than 0. For example, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. That means plus, plus. If the coordinate is in the form of plus, plus, then it lies in the first quadrant. Then the second quadrant is minus plus. That means what? X-axis is negative and y-axis is positive. X-axis is negative and y-axis is what? Positive. Then example means what can you say that? Minus 2, 3 we can say. That is x is negative, y is what? Positive. And then third quadrant, minus, minus, which means both are negative. Both are negative, minus 2, minus 3. And then your fourth quadrant is plus minus, that is x is positive and y is negative, so 2, minus 3 we can say. 2, minus 3. Right here. So how can we write the coordinate? It's enclosed within a bracket like x, y. X, y. X, y. X, y. In which this x is called as what? Abscissa. It is called as what? Abscissa. And then it is called as what? Ordinate. That horizontal line is called as what? Abscissa, and the vertical line is called as what? Ordinate. Am I right here? Yes. And then where the two lines intersect, that is called as what? Origin. These are the two lines, two perpendicular lines. Where it intersects, it is called as what? Origin. It is called as what? Origin. Then after that, so we divide into 4 coordinates. Okay. How will you plot the points in a graph? How will you plot the points in a graph? So first what you have to do? You have to do the coordinate axis and select units. Otherwise, I will explain it tomorrow. Thank you everybody. Thank you.